Good morning. It is currently 7 a.m. on Saturday. Last night I was messaging a guy on Facebook Marketplace about a new rear bumper and a hood for this car. And we're gonna go drive 2 hours to go pick them up because it's a crazy deal. Let me show you what I'm working with and then I'll show you what we're grabbing. So I don't know if you can see, currently this is the rear bumper on the car. It is pretty scratched up and it's got a little bit of marks on it and stuff like that, and the paint, you can tell it's been resprayed because the paint's coming off at the bottom. So I found one from the same guy for 50 bucks, so that's a steal, and his is in like mint condition. Well, I'm hoping anyways, that's why I'm willing to drive 2 hours. And then if we come around to the front, my hood is let me just let that focus, is rusting and it's pretty badly smashed in, and I noticed every time I drive the hood actually kind of jumps and moves around because it's lifted up in certain corners and the fitment's not great. And the vent has some scratches and rock chips on it and everything. And I found a new hood off of a car that he's parting out for 250 bucks. So for $300 we're getting a new hood and a new rear bumper, so I couldn't pass up on that deal. So anyways, I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna go head out and grab that. It's currently 7:25. We're going to get the money right now. My dad just showed up with the truck. I'm gonna take the dog too. Okay, we got 300 bucks. We just showed up here in Kitchener about 2 hours later. It's now 9 o'clock and we're waiting just for the guy for the hood and the bumper. I'm not gonna film it just because I don't want to put a camera in his face if he doesn't know me, you know what I mean? But I'll let you guys know once we got it all in the truck. What is going on? I just got back here, picked up this fresh hood. It's from an STI, but it's pretty much the same thing. And then I just got this fresh bumper. Well, I wouldn't say fresh. So it was originally $300 for both of them, but he actually ended up giving me the bumper for free just because it's not perfect. It was kind of scratched up and everything, and honestly I think my rear bumper is a little bit better because it doesn't have any cosmetic on the sides where you see more. I don't really care too much about the back, which this one does too, but the hood is in amazing shape. There's no rust, no cracks, the hood scoop's not rock chipped or anything. And so for 250 bucks for both of them, I'm gonna try and resell that and maybe find another one. I can sell both bumpers, this one and the one under my car, and hopefully get a super clean one. But yeah, we're gonna start installing this now. Okay, so there you have it, guys. New hood is installed, ready to go. I took some time to just clean up the car, give it a quick wax job and a little ceramic coating. Got the new tires on, everything's cleaned up. So I think for the next video we're going to be adding a front lip, getting rid of these that are all paint chipped and stuff like that, and then fixing up the front bumper as best as we can. Now that we've got the new hood on, no more rust spots, anything like that. This hood's actually in really good shape. Unfortunately, it has looked like it's been resprayed, so it's a little bit different color, but you know what? For 250 bucks, I can't complain. And I did get the rear bumper, but I decided to keep mine on just because it wasn't as bad as that one, to be honest. So I'm probably gonna sell that and try and recoup maybe 50, 100 bucks, and then sell my hood, maybe fix it up a little bit, and see what I can get for maybe 150. I don't know. Hopefully
but between selling this hood and that bumper, we can almost recuperate the cost of buying this one. And then I could even possibly take my OEM, sorry, not OEM, my original bumper that I have on this car and either get it painted with that money or sell that one as well, and then add it to these funds and then hopefully flip it for a good bumper. That way I pretty much have no money invested in this and I fixed it. I will say that's one of the great things about Subarus is that you can find, because some of the motors do blow in these cars, there's always part out cars. So if you're looking to find a car that you can work on fairly cheap and find used parts for, I have noticed compared to Toyotas and other cars I've had in the past, this is super easy to get parts for, and they're plentiful, and generally you can pick them up locally to you. I mean, I had to go for a bit of a drive, but it was worth the deal. Anyways guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.